All right, um, gentlemen, ladies, I have got a lot of questions and reviews concerning the assignment I gave to write a program to calculate students' GPA in ND level Computer Engineering Department, Heritage Polytechnic. It's such a very simple problem to go through. I'm going to give you a highlight of how to do that right now using just one semester as a case study. Just follow up and understand. All right, let's start a project, new project. All right. Okay, let's call this GPA calculator. All right. Okay. Okay, here we have it. That's the form here loaded. Let's expand it a little bit. Okay, let's have a label. Where is it? Sorry, label. Yeah. Let's call this GPA calculator, and probably let's increase the font for um, visualization. All right, GPA calculator. All right, let's use a group box G. Is that important? But just for probably design sake. Okay, G. All right, we got that. Now remember, you have 10 courses to actually use. So let's call this first one. Remember, this is just tutorial papers. I'm not gonna write everything. I'm not gonna design it. You can choose to design it the way you want, add colors, add designs, and circular and all those stuff. It doesn't really matter for now. Just want to give you highlights of what to do, the main program aspects. Okay, let's call this CTE112. It may not be the real course code, but just for tutorial sake. Now we're gonna need 10 courses, so I'm just gonna copy 10 of it and paste. Let's copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's it. So we have the second one here. Let's call it com 221. It doesn't really matter, like I said, you can use anything. You must be according to what you do for the semester. Let's call this CTE 115. Let's call this com 202. Okay, let's increase a little bit because there are some other things we need to do down here. We can just stop here. All right, let's try to reduce it a little bit. Okay, now after that, the next thing we'll actually want is probably the course title. It doesn't really matter for now. Let's just use one or two as an example. So pick a label again. Let's call this course title, and then we can add something like introduction to Visual Basic Programming. Okay, this is actually the course title. Now to make our work look very neat, we can bring this down. All right, I just use a little bit. Then we can call this place. Let's call here course code. All right, so that we actually know this is the course code. Okay, and then just copy that, paste, and then we can call that course title. All right, okay, so you can list the titles right here: title 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will not really do that right now. Let me just put the last one called mechanical practice. All right, this is just the last one. You can fill in others. All right, just fill others right here. Now, in polytechnic system, we have what they call the grades, where a student can actually score A, B, C, D, E, F, right? All right, so we have in polytechnic heritage, we have A, B, 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 C, 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 D, D, E, and F. Now, we're gonna use what they call a combo box to do that. So we can actually put a combo box here. Let's adjust a little bit so it looks better. All right, that's a combo box. Now this combo box is such that when you click, probably you got A, you choose if you have A, you choose if you got B. Remember in the secondary school you have biology, chemistry, and the rest. Just choose what you have, and then you calculate your GPA for you at the end of the day. So that's exactly what I want to do here. The calculator to do that shit for us. Okay, so right here we have this. Now we have to fill in the values that these combo box will occupy. That's going to be A, B, 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 C, and the rest. So we go to items, look here for items. Items, and inside the items we have the values A, we have AB, we have B, we have BC, we have C, we have CD, we have D, we have E, and we have F. Those are the values that someone can choose from actually. So now we have A to F inside here. Then we need 10 of it because each respective courses will definitely have their values. So you will just copy this and paste it for how many times? 10 times. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So just click here and bring it close to where you have other courses. Okay, we have that now. As we have the course title, it would have been better, but let's just look at how to calculate the GPA. This doesn't matter, does not really matter. You can put that the way you like. Okay, we pick a button here. The button is going to be the compute value. When you click on the compute, it's going to generate the GPA and whatever you want it to generate. Okay, let's fix it up here. Let's just fix it up somewhere here. That's the button, and the button, we will change the text name to compute. Compute. All right. Now, what is the program going to do? Once you choose the values you want here, you just click compute. When you click compute, it will generate your what? Your GPA, and then it will tell you if you're in the distinction level, upper credit level, lower credit level, pass or fail. Okay. Now, so we need two things basically. We need the GPA calculations, and we now need the grade you are going to graduate with. So, all right, let's use a label to do that. Now, here is going to be called GPA. All right. And then the next label is going to be for our graduation grade. Let's just call it a semester grade. Okay. Now, what is this going to do for us? The GPA, when you click compute, it's going to give you probably score 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, and then you're going to have your semester grade at distinction, lower credits, upper credits, or whatever you have depending on your performance for that very semester. I hope that was pretty cool. My next video, we're going to do the real computation now, the coding aspect. That was just an analysis of how you're supposed to design your work. You can do it better than this. This is just an oversight, or just let's say just for explanation's sake. All right, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos coming. See you in the coding part of it. Bye for now.